Meet Ria. Last year, she endured Mumbai's chaotic commutes. Today, she's a remote product manager living in a Bali villa, leading teams across time zones. How? By learning the right skills online. If you're ready to ditch office walls and work from anywhere, stay tuned. This is your roadmap. Why the remote work revolution matters. Remote work isn't just a perk, it's a global shift. Thanks to cloud tools, high-speed internet, and collaboration platforms, companies like GitLab and Zapier operate fully distributed teams with top talent worldwide. Whether you are a developer, marketer, designer, or writer, remote roles are booming. Your location no longer defines your career, skills do. Let's explore which online skills will make you an indispensable remote professional. 1. Digital communication and collaboration. First, master digital communication and collaboration. In remote teams, clarity and responsiveness are non-negotiable. Enroll in Effective Remote Communication on Coursera or Virtual Collaboration on Udemy to learn messaging etiquette, video call best practices, and screen sharing tips. Next, get fluent with project management tools like Trello and Asana. Take a Trello Masterclass or Asana for Teams course to organize tasks and automate workflows. By speaking the language of remote teams, you'll ensure time zones and distances never stall progress. 2. Time management and self-discipline. Without a boss looking over your shoulder, self-discipline is vital. Take Time Management for Remote Workers on LinkedIn Learning or Building Self-Discipline on edX to master routines, set smart goals, and use productivity hacks like the Pomodoro technique. Use apps like Notion or Todoist to track tasks, create a dedicated workspace, schedule regular breaks, and set clear boundaries. Employers want remote team members who manage their time effectively. Show them you can deliver results independently. 3. Technical proficiency and in-demand tools. Every remote role has its toolbox. Developers, learn Git and GitHub. Try Git Essentials on Codecademy. Designers, master Figma or Adobe XD, take Figma for Beginners on Skillshare. Marketers, get comfortable with WordPress and Google Analytics. Start with WordPress Academy on LinkedIn Learning and Google Analytics for Beginners on Skillshop. Project managers, dive into Jira and ClickUp. Complete Jira Fundamentals on Atlassian University or ClickUp Mastery on Skillshare. 4. Specialized expertise and niche skill sets. Niche experts stand out. Consider these high-demand remote roles: digital marketer, master SEO, PPC, and email marketing. Data analyst, scientist, learn Python for data science on Coursera, SQL for data analysis on Mode Analytics, and data visualization UI designer. Take the UX Design Professional Certificate on Coursera and the Advanced Figma Techniques on Skillshare. Online educator, study instructional design for e-learning on LinkedIn Learning and Adobe Premiere Pro Essentials on Udemy. Specialize, and companies will seek you out. 5. Remote-friendly soft skills. Soft skills make remote work thrive. Enroll in Emotional Intelligence at Work on edX or Remote Leadership on LinkedIn Learning. Focus on accountability and proactiveness. Show you can solve problems without hand-holding. Adaptability and resilience. Handle shifting priorities and time zone challenges. Companies value remote employees who collaborate effectively, adapt quickly, and maintain trust across distances. Top online learning platforms and resources. Ready to learn? Here are the top platforms. Coursera, university-level courses and certificates. Google Data Analytics, Meta Digital Marketing. Udemy, affordable, lifetime access, complete digital marketing course. React, the complete guide. LinkedIn Learning, short modules integrated with LinkedIn, learning Jira, time management fundamentals. Now it's your turn. The remote work revolution is here. Are you ready to join it? Pick your first course today, set your goals, and take that leap.